Hey guys, here to talk about some differences between a gas-fired truck mount and an electric truck mount. Basically, this one uses an engine, a gas-fired engine. They also call them ICE engines. And it's powered by an engine which turns a blower. And this one takes gas. And it's great for when you're doing carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, and some tile and grout cleaning. But if you need heat that's unlimited, that it's gonna have trouble producing. Like if you were to clean tile and grout at high PSI, the heat exchanger is not gonna keep up. But other than that, this one, for carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, great, very reliable. One thing is about the price. The price is gonna be higher because, plus it looks beautiful too. If you drove to someone's house with this says a lot, just the looks. This is an electric truck mount. An electric truck mount works better when you have good heat because it has so much vacuum to work from the truck that it's gonna be limited on the heat that it has. Other than that, this one right here, it's priced a lot better. So for around 6,000 or so, you can get an electric truck mount. The features are similar, except that this does not have heat at all because the vacuums are so powerful. But if you couple that with the heat exchanger, which in this case is a diesel heat exchanger, the diesel becomes unlimited. So like when you really need the heat, it will not drop, whether you're doing tile and grout cleaning or even if you want to use it as a pressure washer. So those are some of the advantages of this. And the other thing about the electric truck mount is you can actually plug it into the outlets in the wall. So it's also more green if you tend to use it like that. If you use it with a generator, the other advantage would be the generator is separate from the machine. So there's very unlikely that anything is gonna happen to it. Also the diesel heater, if you did use the diesel heater, that is also separate. So that heat is not going through the machine, which usually tends to weaken the machine because there's so many moving parts and the heat complicates everything. So those are the major differences. If you have the money and you want to do primarily carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, then this is it. If you don't have the money, you want to do carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, general cleaning, this with an electric heater would be good. If you want to do unlimited cleaning with this, for carpet cleaning that, carpets that are really trashed out, and for tile and grout cleaning, then you'd have to get the diesel heater to make this perform even better. And the heat really will make a lot of difference in your cleaning time. That's it.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.